Welcome back to Trendz TV, where we bring the hottest car reviews, the latest industry buzz, and the rides that'll shape the roads of tomorrow. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2026 Honda CR-V. Honda's best-selling SUV has returned with a fresh new look, smarter tech, and a few surprises under the hood. So buckle up, because this is not your average CR-V. Exterior. At first glance, the 2026 CR-V demands attention. Honda has clearly taken notes from its recent design language, creating a bolder, more rugged SUV while retaining its refined personality. The front fascia is aggressive yet sophisticated. A wide, gloss black grille stretches across the nose, flanked by sleek, LED headlights that taper off with a sharp, high-tech edge. The DRLs carve through the front like precision blades, and lowered down, the revised bumper adds a muscular character with integrated air intakes and fog lamp housings. It looks more like a mini Passport than ever before, and that's not a bad thing. Moving to the side profile, the CR-V continues to impress. Longer than the outgoing model, the 2026 version stretches its wheelbase to offer more cabin space and better road presence. Strong character lines run along the doors, subtly sculpting the body for a more athletic stance. Black cladding around the wheel arches and lower panels adds that SUV toughness, while chrome window trims and flush-mounted roof rails provide a premium vibe. The new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on the trim, may add a sporty flair that complements the vehicle's adventurous spirit. And the side mirrors, now sleeker and better integrated for improved aerodynamics. From the rear, the CR-V sports an equally modern update. The signature vertical taillights remain but are now more refined, with a sharper LED light signature that adds a futuristic look. The rear hatch is wider for easier cargo loading, and the bumper is redesigned with a more squared-off finish, giving the SUV a sturdy and planted appearance. Dual exhaust tips peek out on the sportier trims, adding just the right amount of flair. The rear spoiler has been slightly extended, and a new horizontal light bar connects the taillights on higher trims, offering a touch of elegance not usually seen in this segment. Interior. Now let's step inside, and this is where the 2026 CR-V really shows its evolution. The interior is completely redesigned with a focus on simplicity, usability, and tech integration. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal layout, echoing what we've seen in the latest Civic and Accord. Front and center is a stunning new 12.3-inch touchscreen on top trims, while base models still get a respectable 9-inch unit. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the new Google built-in software on higher trims adds seamless navigation, voice controls, and app support directly within the infotainment system. The screen is responsive, crisp, and now easier to use on the move. Honda has also revamped the digital instrument cluster. A 10.2-inch configurable display gives drivers access to real-time vehicle info, navigation, and driver assist visuals. Speaking of which, the 2026 CR-V now includes Honda Sensing 360 and their latest suite of driver aids, featuring blind spot steering assist, adaptive cruise with lane change assist, and an improved collision mitigation system. You feel safer before you even hit the road. The materials in the cabin have taken a serious leap forward. Soft touch panels wrap the dash and door cards, while metal-like finishes and ambient lighting boost the premium factor. Depending on the trim, you can get leather-trimmed seats, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and even rear seat heating, a first for the CR-V. The center console now includes a wireless charging pad, deep storage compartments, and reconfigured cup holders that can fit larger bottles or coffee mugs. Rear passengers will appreciate the increased legroom and better seat recline thanks to the stretched wheelbase. The rear seats slide and fold flat in a 60-40 split, opening up a massive cargo area. With the seats down, you get over 75 cubic feet of space. That's enough for camping gear, a week's worth of groceries, or a big home improvement haul. Performance-wise, the 2026 Honda CR-V doesn't disappoint. The base engine remains a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4, Now tuned for smoother to-work delivery and better efficiency. It makes around 190 horsepower and is mated to a refined CVT that mimics traditional gear changes better than ever. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive is available across the board. For those seeking better fuel economy or a greener option, the hybrid variant is the one to get. The 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain returns, now with a slight bump in output, delivering a combined 204 horsepower and improved acceleration thanks to revised electric motor tuning. The hybrid model also offers selectable drive modes including normal, sport, econ, and snow, giving you the ability to tailor the driving experience based on conditions or mood. Whether you're commuting through traffic or hitting backcountry roads, the CR-V delivers a composed, confident ride. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better damping, and the steering is more responsive, making this SUV feel smaller and nimbler than it looks. Noise insulation has also seen major improvements, thanks to new acoustic glass and enhanced cabin sealing. Road and wind noise are kept to a minimum. The CR-V glides over bumps with ease, and even at highway speeds, the ride remains calm and quiet. Perfect for long family road trips or solo drives to clear your head. Fuel economy is another strong point. The base turbo model is expected to deliver up to 30 miles per gallon combined, while the hybrid can easily achieve over 40 miles per gallon combined depending on trim and driving conditions. That puts the CR-V at the top of its class when it comes to efficiency without sacrificing daily usability or driving pleasure. So, what about pricing? The 2026 Honda CR-V starts at around $31,000 for the Bass LX trim, with features like LED lighting, Honda sensing, and the new infotainment system included. Step up to the X or XL for roughly $34,000 to $36,000, and you'll unlock more premium features like leather seats, a larger touchscreen, and better audio. The Sport Touring Hybrid at the top of the line trim pushes the price tag close to $42,000, but offers all the bells and whistles, including AWD, the panoramic roof, premium audio bibos, and full digital displays. With its improved design, better tech, more refined interior, and efficient yet capable powertrains, the 2026 Honda CR-V continues to prove why it's a top choice in the compact SUV world. It's not a flashy, attention-grabbing crossover, but it doesn't have to be. The CR-V has always been about balance, reliability, comfort, safety, and just enough excitement to keep things interesting. Now, it does all of that better than ever. If you're shopping for a smart, stylish, family-friendly SUV that won't break the bank, the new CR-V should definitely be on your radar. Whether you lean toward the gas-powered model or the hybrid, you're getting a thoughtfully engineered vehicle built for real life. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Honda CR-V. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Trendz TV for more detailed car breakdowns just like this. Got questions or want to see a comparison with a rival like the Toyota RAV4 or Mazda CX-50? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride. Stay fast, stay curious,